So if you're wanting to install a set of side steps on your Ford Bronco instead of paying somebody else to do it, then you might want to hang around and watch how it's done. As you can see here, I'm laying out the brackets. They come with 3 of them, and they are all 3 different, so I'm laying out which one goes in the front, the middle, and the back. And I'm using an 11/16 socket, or you can use a 17 millimeter. They are both about the same, and they will work just fine either one. These are the bolts that it came with. As you can see now, I'm climbing under the vehicle to show you where your front bracket mounting point is. As you can see here, Ford has pre-drilled these holes. If you're wondering why I'm not holding the bracket with one hand while I insert this bolt, it's because I'm holding the camera with the other hand to make sure that I can get good footage so that you can see what I'm doing. So I hope you appreciate it. So now here's where the mounting points are on the middle bracket for the vehicle. Now I'm sliding down to show you where to put the last back bracket. There's the mounting holes. Again, I am starting these by hand. I will always start a bolt by hand if I can, just because I hate running the risk of cross-threading anything. Now it's time to get the side step itself and get it over here and hoist it up ready to mount on the brackets. And while I'm at it, I just wanted to stop and take a second to say that if you've hung around this long and you've learned anything, that I hope that you would subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, ask a question, whatever you want to do. So thank you very much. I had to grab this 17 millimeter wrench because it was a little tight whenever bolting up the side step on the bracket. So just a heads up for that, you're going to need a wrench as well to be able to get into the tight spaces. And then I used the wrench to tighten up the last 2 bolts that were up high because I wasn't able to get my impact up in there. It was too wide. You could use a socket and a ratchet to be able to do this work a little bit quicker for these last 2, but since I had the wrench already on me, I figured I would just go ahead and finish with it. And just like that, the side steps are installed. I just want to say God bless. Thank you for watching. The more you know, the more valuable you are. See you on the next one.